Cebu City Investment Marketing 3 Report towards the vision of a Singapore-like Cebu City. The third investment marketing mission Mayor Mike Rama led with his MWF or Mayor's Working Force last September 27 to 29, 2022 yielded more benefits for Cebu City that will help achieve the vision of a Singapore-like metropolis. Two property developers joined the previous band of real estate builders to build each a medium-rise building or MRB for socialized housing. These MRBs will be built for those affected by the clearing of the 3-meter easement along the city's 7 rivers and waterfronts. Arthaland Century Pacific Corporation and DECA Homes have their commitment to Mayor Rama in separate meetings. Arthaland Executive Vice President Christopher Narciso also offered to help rebuild public schools that Super Typhoon Odette had damaged and have these installed each with a solar power system, all at Arthaland's expense. In fact, Arthaland had begun repair works of the Don Vicente Rama Memorial School in Basak San Nicolas and committed to complete the repair works by the end of October 2022. DECA Homes President Luis Yu further donated 2 studio-type condo units in Barangay Tisa as prizes for the next vaccination incentive program of the city, already christened as PaBakuaTa Extravaganza. Meanwhile, the DYNA Group of companies expressed the desire to help the city in the rollout of the bus rapid transit, a cable car system, and a monorail. DYNA Group Chairman Joseph Go told the mayor his team will conduct a study first, then propose either a joint venture agreement or other forms of private-public partnership. His team included former Department of Transportation Undersecretary Tim Orbos, who Mayor Rama has tapped as advisor for transportation and traffic management. In another development, Abratique Associates Philippines Incorporated, a local partner of a company based in California, USA, presented to Mayor Rama a proposal for an engagement in traffic and transportation solution. Its president, Efren Abratique, told the mayor his group intends to adopt for Cebu City the system adopted in Davao City. Also, Ulticon Builders Incorporated committed to help with the city's next reclamation projects. Its chairman and president, Carlos Gonzalez, said he will revert soon with the details of what it could do for Cebu City. Ulticon presented to the Cebu City delegation the tremendous work it has done for the Pasay Harbor Reclamation Project, an engineering feat worthy of emulation. By the 3rd week of October, Mayor Rama will lead the 4th investment marketing mission. He is optimistic of more benefits for the citizens of Cebu City. But all these will require the support and cooperation of Cebu City officials and employees and all the constituents. Only then can we achieve our vision of a Singapore-like metropolis. For together, we make better things happen for Cebu City. In God we trust.